how to fix Roblox Game Client is not responding. So I'm gonna show you two fixes. For the first one, we will open up our computer search for Roblox player, find your Roblox player. You should have one. It could be this. Right click on it and then open file location. Here, right click on the Roblox player yet again and go to properties. Now, go to the compatibility tab and check this option. Run this program in compatibility mode 4, and we want to set this to Windows 7. Then we will disable the full screen optimizations as well as run this program as an administrator. Click on apply, click on OK, and you should be good to go. That is the first fix. For the second one, we will open up our computer search and we'll search for add or remove programs. Here we want to open up Roblox, so just search for Roblox and uninstall Roblox. So depending on how many ones you have, just uninstall all instances of Roblox. And after we have uninstalled Roblox, it might take a little bit of time, but it's going to disappear. And now if I open up any game here, it's going to re-download Roblox and it's going to be reinstalled for me. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.